If you're building WordPress websites going into 2026, choosing the right theme is crucial for your website success. You might be thinking about a theme that focuses on the design, or maybe performance, better user experience, or even SEO. But what if I told you that there's only one WordPress theme you'll ever need, and that's UiCore Pro? UiCore Pro is designed to take your WordPress experience to the next level. It provides themes, plugins, and a powerful framework for building fast, customizable websites. It comes with advanced design tools, pre-built blocks, and it works perfectly with both Gutenberg and Elementor. And even if you're completely new to WordPress, UiCore makes it easy to create stunning, professional websites in just a few clicks without writing a single line of code. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. In this video, I'm going to walk you through UiCore Pro, highlight the features, show you how it works, and build a client-ready website. But before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is sponsored by UiCore, who are supporting today's content. UiCore offers different subscription plans for a single site, for agencies with multiple sites, or even a one-time lifetime access. In addition to these, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee after purchase. Once you've acquired a UI Pro plan, you'll gain access to the client area. From the Dashboard tab, you can download the theme by clicking here on this icon that says Download Theme, and then click Save. Once done, log into your WordPress dashboard. From here, click on Appearance, and then Themes. At the top, click Add Theme, and then Upload Theme. Select the zip file, and then click Install Now. Once UiCore Pro is installed, make sure to activate it. Click on that, and this is where everything starts. During the initial setup, UiCore will ask you which builder you want to use for this website. You'll see two options, Elementor and Gutenberg. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Gutenberg. Now, it requires plugins to gain access to all the theme functionalities and features. Once you click this button, it will start installing UiCore Blocks, which is their flagship Gutenberg builder with advanced layout and design capabilities. And once that's done, you'll be taken to the UiCore dashboard. Now let's talk about one of UiCore's most powerful features, which is the white label capabilities. UiCore allows you to fully white label the theme with your own identity. That means you can change the theme name, branding, and admin labels, making it ideal for client projects. From the My UiCore dashboard, go ahead and open the White Label Manager, and then click the button that says Create a Theme. This is where you can fully customize UiCore and turn it into your own branded WordPress theme. From here, you need to fill in the required fields to be able to customize the installation of this theme. Here, you can enter the theme name and the theme folder. Below that, you can add a short description, followed by the author's name and the author's website. And you'll also see an option to upload a cover image for the theme. And if you're uploading a logo, make sure it's in SVG format. Before moving forward, double-check all the details, because once the white label theme is created, these details cannot be edited later. If everything looks good, click Create My Theme. Now UiCore will generate your custom white labeled theme. Once the process is complete, go ahead and download the theme zip file. Next, head back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance, then Themes, and select Add New. Choose Upload Theme, select the new zip file you just downloaded, and click Install Now. After installation, make sure to activate the theme. And just like that, as you can see here, the theme is now fully white labeled. The branding is updated, the cover image is changed, and the logo you uploaded is now visible. When you hand this site over to a client, it looks like a completely custom-built theme. Next, let's head over to the Demo Import section. From here, you can import a complete ready-made demo or templates that will allow you to start creating your site quickly. You'll see a library of professionally designed demo sites that you can use, and each one of these demos is actually already optimized for Gutenberg, since that's the builder we selected earlier. If you want to preview a demo, simply click on any one of them. Take a moment to scroll through, find one you like, and once you're happy with your choice, click Import, then click Run Demo Import. Now UiCore will automatically import the demo content, pages, layouts, headers, global styles, and settings. Just wait a couple of minutes while the import finishes. And when it's done, click Visit Site. At this point, your website is already fully designed. You'll notice the Hero section at the top, with the main headline and a short description. And just below that, you'll see the two main call to action buttons. And if you scroll it down, you'll find the Feature section, followed by the Integration section with a View All Integration link. Then you have the Testimonial section, Pricing section, the final call to action, and finally, at the bottom is the footer. So, as you notice, this onboarding process actually makes it easy for beginners and saves hours for agencies working on client projects. The demo content is automatically installed based on the builder you choose. Now, if you want to start editing your page, click the Edit Page button here at the top. You're now inside the WordPress site editor, where you can customize every part of your website. If you click this plus icon, you will see the UiCore blocks added and divided into 4 main categories. Default blocks cover basic content elements like container, heading, paragraph, button, and more. Composite blocks are pre-built combinations of elements, such as feature boxes or icon lists, to help you create more complex layouts much faster. Advanced blocks add more dynamic and professional functionality to your pages. And dynamic blocks connect to WordPress data or external sources. To add a new section, you can simply insert a container or drag and drop any UiCore block directly into your page. Then, on the right panel, you can adjust typography, colors, spacing, and layout. Now, there's an even faster way to streamline your entire design process, and that's by using UiCore Design Cloud. Design Cloud is a powerful tool that allows you to import ready-made sections, pages, and global styles directly inside the editor. To open it, click the colorful cloud-shaped icon. Now, you'll gain access to a huge library of blocks, pages, and pre-designed sections ready to import with just a single click. You can filter templates by collection to limit results to a specific design set, or browse by use case, such as hero sections, features, testimonials, or contact layouts. You can also refine your search using keywords that describe the layout, style, or purpose of the template you're looking for. When you find a template you like, simply click Add Template. If this is your first time, UiCore will ask you to connect your website. Click Connect My Product, then Connect. Once you're connected, as you can see, the content is now added to the site. You can continue adding more sections or blocks as needed. So, if you build a lot of websites, this feature saves hours of work. Let's move on to global settings and theme options. UiCore includes a custom-built theme framework that centralizes all essential options in one place, such as global styles, layout settings, header builder, and other site-wide controls. First, under the design settings, here you can configure your global colors. This is where you define your primary brand color, your secondary color, and the colors used for headings and paragraph text. Once you update these colors here, they're automatically applied across your entire site. Next, you can configure your global fonts. This is where you define the typography for your entire website. In addition, UiCore supports the Adobe Typekit. If you're using Typekit fonts, just paste your Typekit ID here to sync them with your site. You can also upload custom fonts. Click Add New, enter the font name and style, and upload your font files in the supported formats. This gives you full control over your typography, especially for branded or client projects. In the Theme Style section, you can also customize the typography for headings, including font size, weight, and style, and these settings will apply consistently across your entire site. You can also define the global link color, so all links follow the same design system. Next is the Buttons section. This is where you control how buttons look everywhere on your site. You can customize the typography, background colors, borders, if you want rounded corners, and even add hover effects. You can also enable animations, choose animation styles, or customize the preloader if you want a more dynamic experience. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click Save. Now let's go back to the front end. Refresh your site, and here, you'll immediately see those changes applied globally. Next, head back into Theme Options. Here, you can set your primary logo, a secondary logo for transparent headers, a mobile logo, and even an icon for the Browser tab and home screen. Again, once done, click Save. Then go back again to your site, refresh the page, and look how your site has changed, your logo, and the favicon. Next, under the General Settings, you can control the overall website layout and even change the background color for the entire site. One interesting feature here is the custom cursor. Notice that it is enabled by default, so if you want to go back to your site, you'll see a subtle circle effect following your cursor, which adds a modern touch to the user experience. Next, you can also enable the top banner above the header and save it just like this, as you can see. Then, if you refresh the page, you'll see the top banner added to your site. And then you can modify or edit the text and all the elements from here. You can also enable or disable the header and set the base layout and style you like. The same applies to the footer. If you're going to enable it, you can select the column layout you want and also the styles and animations to match the design. Now let's move on to the admin customizer. This is incredibly useful, especially for larger sites or client projects. If you go inside Admin Customizer and then Theme Features, let me show you. As an example, if you're going to enable the demo import, you'll immediately see it disappear from the UiCore panel. So, here you can hide or remove features your clients don't need to simplify the backend experience. And when you enable the Admin Customizer, apart from the Theme Options panel, where you can change the theme name, for example here, and also the theme icon and the logo, one of the very interesting options here is customizing the WordPress dashboard layout, like what you are seeing right now. This is the current default admin dashboard. So what you can do is, when you enable this option and then click this Edit button, you'll be redirected to this editor to customize your dashboard. Once you're done with your design, click Save. And when you go back to your main dashboard, you'll now have your customized dashboard design to provide a better experience to your clients. The same way with your theme dashboard. You can also customize it to match your design. And even the WordPress login screen, you can also customize it according to your liking. So in short, this feature streamlines the backend experience by organizing settings logically and reducing friction during development, which is a huge advantage when working with clients. Now, if your site heavily uses icons, widgets, or embeds, it can slow things down. But with UiCore's performance optimization, you can optimize assets, clean up code, and use smart loading strategies to deliver fast load times and excellent real-world performance. By enabling local fonts, you reduce external requests, improve privacy, and make fonts load more consistently and quickly. Inline critical CSS helps the browser render a properly styled page much faster. With Smart Preload, when a user clicks a link, the next page opens much faster because key parts of it are already preloaded in the background. And if you enable Preload Featured Images, the main image at the top of the page appears quickly as the page loads, improving first impressions and overall perceived speed. And that's it! You're now ready to start building your WordPress website with UiCore. From setup to design, performance, and customization, everything you need is already built in. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.